Hi everyone, my name is Robert Phillips and I live in Valencia, California. This is 45 minutes north of Los Angeles. I have two younger brothers and an older sister. I have two birds and a rabbit. I love to travel, going to the beach and hanging out with friends and family. I played sports my entire life and continue to stay active on a daily basis by going to the gym and working out. I work part-time for my dad, who owns his own company, as a sterilizer service technician in several hospitals in the surrounding LA area. I am pursuing my MBA in healthcare management to help further my career in the health field. I am excited for what this course has to offer in regard to leadership and how businesses are operated within a healthcare facility. I feel as if I have been in school forever, but I am currently looking into a doctorate and PA programs after I complete this degree. Thank you.